Hi, today I'm going to show you how to keep your Karndean floor looking its best with our simple everyday clean. Day-to-day cleaning couldn't be easier. The first step is to simply prepare the floor by removing any loose dirt or dust. Using a soft sweeping brush, gently sweep the entire floor to collect any loose dirt or debris. Next, in a bucket, add 50 millilitres of Karndean Clean to approximately 8 to 10 litres of clean water. Or you can use a pH neutral floor cleaner and follow their instructions. Now simply mop as normal. Alternatively, you can use a spray mop, but steam cleaners aren't suitable. With just a little bit of care, your Karndean floor will stay looking beautiful for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more on giving your floor a deep clean, head to our website.